possible of having Brownlee play in a big import conference?
Yes!
So, sabi ng iba, maliit si Brownlee for this
Let's go, let's go! Kaso na lang! Let's go!
Dito sa Philippines Arena.
Ano ganun ba?
Ang presence na, nakita natin, 5 game yun. Talo sila rito, nag-crucial points. So,
Shoot! Atin! Yes! Yes! Yun naman palang gagawin ni Holt eh. Scotty! Tira Scotty! Mamaya na. 6 seconds. Tira Toy. Yes! Woo! Woo! We are the champion! Woo! Yes! Troy, dunk muna Troy! Yes! Woo! Woo! Yoo! Surrender na! Hinebra! 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 Yes! 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 Hinebra! We are the champion!
Coach, 13 points scored by TNT in the fourth period.
Hinebra! Hinebra! Hinebra!
Scored by TNT in the entire second half. Defense ang nagpapanalo sa Barangay Ginebra.